Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out offers on the ALDI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the offers button down below, which is the second option. Here you can find a bunch of options. Tap on the first one and here you can see the current offers. Tap on it and here you can find today's offers. Here you can find the results and the items. If you want to search among them, tap on this search icon in the right side down below to search for particular products by typing in their name into the search bar. If you want to, you can also use filters by tapping on the filter icon, so you can select select from the categories here. Tap on the use button and you can also set the price range on this slide. Tap on the done button down below and here you can find all of the relevant results according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.